Good day, fellow TIs, targeted individuals, or victims of remote electronic psychotronics, MK Ultra mind control. Just a short uh, info video pertaining to the targeting that is happening worldwide to us. Regarding this, the issue about TIs are being manipulated against other TIs or targeted individual is being attacked, or I'll just read it for you guys. That is force thought redirection. I've commented it on one of our fellow TIs Facebook page. That is this is force thought redirection or remote neural manipulation for TIs to fight with each other, so that confusion will grow and no one comes to the knowledge of the whole truth. And that truth is, it is the dragon Satan and his fallen angels, especially their offsprings, the Nephilim, demonic Nephilim spirits that are attacking all TIs. As what the Bible foretold. It is written, "For we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities." Yes, we are against fallen angels. To be exact, fallen angels, Nephilim spirits. That's it. Yun lang po sa mga kapwa-tao ko pong Pinoy, TI, Filipino targeted individuals. Yung mga uma-attack po sa inyo, nakakala nyo mga kapwa-tao natin sa gang stalking, di po ba? Gang stalking. Hindi po sila yun. They're being used by demonic entities. Ginagamit po sila minsan technological demonic possession, yung sa MK Ultra mind control. Pero most of the times, ano po yun? Demonic possession, synthetic telepathy. Dalawa po kasi yan eh. There are two sides, good and evil. Angels of God, fallen angels of Satan. That's it. Thanks be to God for all of these wonderful opportunities to share, fellow target individuals. Please share so that others may know and be informed. And God bless us. To God be the glory. Brothers in Christ, I love you all. Bye-bye.